What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Kaspa'S, I am back with another video for you guys. Casper right now having a bit of a retrace. The whole market is looking pretty bearish. Bitcoin is below the bull market support band that we see here from Crypto Rover. Bitcoin has fallen below the bull market support band. We finally made a move above it. Now we're retracing back down, and if history does repeat itself, we could see us retest the $20,000 lows for Bitcoin if we don't, make a move to push back above the bull market support band, right? So we have to keep an eye on that, guys. Overall, though, again, Cas is one of those projects that has shown a ton of strength against Bitcoin, and I think it is going to hold up very well, even if there is another move down in the overall markets. I do believe Casper is gonna hold up very well. You can see from the RSI down here, we came down to these levels in the RSI, right? This is what we did recently, came down to these levels, and then Casper started to move back up in the RSI, guys. So we'll see what happens. Are we gonna do a double bottom move right here, touch the support line once again, and then consolidate to move up? We'll keep an eye out on that. Kaspa'S from 84.eth, probably nothing. Hashtag Cas, right? And previous video, Bitmain, one of the huge mining companies, has sold out of their first batch of Casper ASIC miners. They costed, the price for these were around $50,000, and they sold out, right? So now they have to restock. Bitcoin.news or Bitcoin News, 2.8 million followers, huge account where a lot of Bitcoin maxis follow this account. Just like that, instant awareness for Casper to a lot of the Bitcoin holders, because Bitcoin News shared this article, and this is huge stuff, guys, and it's very interesting. Also, from the overall markets, once again, China's President Xi Jinping arrives in South Africa for BRICS summit. Let's take a look. Now, you guys already know with when it comes to the BRICS, it is a group of countries that have come together to kind of displace the US dollar, right? They've made up in their mind that they are not going to be dependent on the US dollar, and some of the countries include China and Russia. See him walking down the steps. South Africa is one of the BRIC countries as well. It's always good to be aware of these type of information, guys, because these are things that could reshape the world as we know it, right? China is becoming a superpower and there is a lot of speculation of China maybe going to war with the US in the future, some shape or form. I've looked into that a lot. There's a lot of propaganda that is being spread about things of that nature. So this type of information is very important, and you should also do your own research on it. This is why I brought the videos for you guys to see as well. I thought it was very interesting, just wanted to bring it to your attention, right? So keep an eye out, guys, keep an eye out. From Crypto Titan, things are getting juicier by the day. A few days ago, the whale transferred 4, then 3, then 2, then 1 cast to the wallet, countdown for something. Then the whale transferred 1337, i.e. elite or elite. Now the whale transferred 547051, i.e. Satoshi. Coolest whale ever, in my opinion. So what is happening right here with the whale that is accumulating so much Casper, around $10 million worth of Casper, encoding, programming, there's something called leet speak that a lot of internet users have been using for a while. And 1337 obviously here is leet or elite, but recently they did Satoshi. 5 is S, 4 is A, 7 is T, O as in 0 as in O, 5 is in S, and 1 as in I. Coolest whale ever in my opinion. Again, whoever this whale is definitely putting out some hidden messages for us. It could be an exchange, or it could just be a institutional investor, or just a whale that believes in Casper, right? But there is obviously speculation there. Could it be CZ letting us know, hey, this is gonna be, eventually you guys might see that Binance listing, right? You just never know. Our huge Casper whale's intentions and identity are still shrouded in mystery and getting stranger by the day. This is by Space Traveler. Today, Satoshi 50047051 Casper were transferred to his wallet Satoshi, which means Satoshi in leet speak. Probably nothing. Hashtag Cas, hashtag Cas, hashtag crypto. This is very interesting stuff, guys. Casper Talks. This is quite intriguing. Let me get your thoughts on it down in the comment section, guys. What do you think? Who do you think is the whale buying all this Cas, man? They have around $10 million worth of Casper now. Stacks. Sometimes you got to keep the mystery. You can't give everyone everything, right? You can't give everyone everything. And I think that is very cool, right? I love to see like this type of secret, hidden messages for people to like try to figure out these things. Coding is fun. Why is it Satoshi and not Satoshi? Is Jonathan Satoshi and not Satoshi? I'm so confused, but it is undeniable that Jonathan is a genius. Okay, again, guys, there's a lot of speculation that Jonathan could be tied to Satoshi as well, and I have to make a video like that, but I'll have to get all the information together before I make that video. Next we have from Cinderella. The more I read and learn about Cas, the more I regret I didn't join earlier. Great robust project, beautiful vibrant community, insane potential, but I am here now, enjoying and soaking up what I read about Cas here on X. This is going to be a fun ride. Let's get that 100x. Now 100x for Cas from here, because it's sitting at 4 cents, would be $4, right? And again, you never know if that possibility could happen. You can't rule out anything in crypto. $1 though, I think is potentially the target that will be achieved for the bull cycle for Casper. I don't think that's like too impossible, too out of probabilities. From Luna Crush, Casper's social activity has been relatively high lately. When you see spikes in social activity, it typically means there's something to pay attention to. Example, a major social engagement spike of 124,000 social engagement happens. Price accelerates shortly after. What more metrics like this? View them and sign up for free at Luna Crush. So Luna Crush, huge account once again here, 292k followers. Trade what people can't stop talking about. Invest smarter with insights from millions of conversations, powered by Lunar. Tweets, not financial advice. So what they focus on is, the social engagement of crypto projects, right? And again, what we just read, there is a huge spike, 124,000 social engagement happening for Cas in recently, right? And like Luna Crush said, price could accelerate shortly after with this amount of community engagement. So keep an eye out for that, and that is very interesting stuff. From our crypto talk, Cas is broken out of a key resistance level. This could be set a 2x move for Cas. Long and short term price targets, key support levels. Let's take a look. Cas in the short term broken out of this descending wedge, started on April on August 7th, April. My apologies. Current price 0.42 cent. Retest price level 0.39 cent. A small bearish cross would help the price test support. So from our crypto talk, we could see even in the chart right here, maybe a retrace of back to 39 cent. That's their retrace level at this level right here, 39 cent, right? And then after we hit that level, we see the bounce to continuation and a potential 2x move after, right? Cas in long term successfully tested long-term support resistance level around 0.36 cent. Lower momentum on RSI with a reversal which started 90% and 150% pump on previous two occasions, right? So that's why they are expecting there could be a potential 2x move for Cas from here to the 8 cent mark, because lower momentum on the RSI with a reversal which started a 90 to 150% pump on previous two occasions. It's happened 2 times before. History doesn't always repeat itself, but it does rhyme. So that's why our crypto talk thinks we could see a 2x move for Cas incoming. Investment strategy: DCAing in 4-hour interval until price reaches around 3.8 cents. Heavy long if price retest support on 4-hour TF. Are we going to see another all-time high for Cas in the coming days? And Moxley right here, it would go to 10 cent soon. New all-time high before October, right? This is very great to see, man. And our crypto talk is at 13k followers. Are we going to see that 2x move in Cas? Potentially. We'll see what happens, guys. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Casper and myself will be in the description. Share the video with your friends and family. Tune into the live streams. I appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you in the next video.